Okay guys, we are at the clock tower now. Kita dah sampai jam besar. We are going for a walk by the river, just a quick one. A very short walk by the river. Chendol stall is closing. So let's take a walk. Okay guys, ini dia Sungai Melaka. This is the Melaka River. As you can see, the water is a bit murky. We do not know why, even though it was locked down right now. Okay, sekarang masa PKP pun air Sungai Melaka kurang jernih, kurang jernih. Tapi banyak ikan, boleh nampak. You can see fish. Can you see the fish? Yeah. Okay, so jom. We're gonna take just a quick walk here over the front just to show you the Melaka River. And then we are going for dinner. Dan kita akan pergi makan. Bukan, tak boleh makan. Bungkus je. Cantik memang cantik. Melaka River is nice. However, the water is a bit murky. This is a new stop for the Melaka River Cruise. Ini adalah perhentian baru JT Hard Rock untuk Melaka River Cruise. Okay, mari kita tengok. There's the clock tower. And here we go. Very nice. Cuaca hari ini memang bagus, memang cantik. Ada orang jogging. Okay, kedai-kedai di sini semuanya tutup. All the shops here are closed because tourists are not around. Tak ada pengunjung, maka tak ada perniagaan. That is the St. Francis Xavier's Church. Itu gereja St. Francis Xavier. Memang cantik. Megah. Megah. Okey, kita pusing balik. Saya tunjuk sikit saja untuk lepaskan rindu. Just showing you a little bit of the clock tower, Melaka River, for you to lepas rindu. What is the English word for lepas rindu? Okay, warung is open in the afternoon. Evening they are closed. So here we are on the bridge going down, and on your left is towards Bunga Raya. Ke sebelah kiri adalah menghala ke Bunga Raya. Tadi tak banyak orang. Sekarang dah ada berapa, ada sikit orang dah. Okey, kita boleh turun balik jalan di tepi sungai. Let's walk by the riverside. Okay, unfortunately there's no sunset. Cuaca memang macam nak hujan, jadi tak ada matahari terbenam. Kalau ada matahari terbenam, tengok, oi, begitu cantik sekali. Look at this. This is the most beautiful view, right? You can come and take a photo here. Memang cantik. Okay, ini dia. Mana tempat ni? Sebelah Public Bank Melaka main branch. Public Bank Melaka main branch. Okay, this is the spot so that you can come here and take photo when Melaka is reopened. Beautiful, beautiful riverside photo. Beautiful spot to take this photo. Okay, the clouds are beautiful too. Apa ni? Awan-awan pun cantik, nampak? Oi, begitu cantik sekali. Very nice. Very, very nice. Okay, siapa yang suka Melaka, sila tekan like, share, subscribe, follow, comment. Semua tekan. Press everything that you can press. It's free. You can help us out. You'll be helping us out. Terima kasih banyak. Hantar pada kawan-kawan yang rindu kat Melaka. Ini nampak, welcome to Melaka. Oh, St. Francis Xavier's Church. Very, very big, very, very nice. Okey, sekali lagi, pemandangan yang begitu cantik sekali. Kita tengok ke sebelah sini pula. Oh, cantik. Cantik. Okey, jom kita balik. Boleh dengar. Itu. Can you hear the bamboo chimes? Okay guys, kita sampai balik ke jam besar. We have arrived back to the clock tower. So this was the renovated part or renovating part under progress. Okay, ini adalah rumah merah. These are all the red houses. This used to be the GPO. And we are back to clock tower. Okay, I see you again in the next video. Kita jumpa lagi di video yang akan datang. Subscribe lah. Terima kasih. Bye.